think positive, talk positive, feel positive. Okay, think positive, talk positive, feel positive. Keep always the positive thinking. Okay. Then now we can go words related to nature. Okay, words related to nature. Here we can see the words. Khadi. Okay, khadi means bay. Khadi means bay. In the map we can see that surrounding India there is a Bengal Gadi. In Hindi we can say that Bengal Gadi. Okay. Then second one is Chattan. Chattan means cliff. Okay, Chattan means cliff. Then Kinara. Kinara means bank. This is a bank of river. Okay, bank of river. यमुना की किनारे में ताजमहल है. यमुना की किनारे में ताजमहल है means the Taj Mahal is placed in the bank of the river Yamuna. Okay, here bank. Then Pahad. Pahad means hill. Pahad means hill. Then Tapu. Tapu is a island. Sri Lanka is a Tapu. Okay, Sri Lanka is a Tapu. Tapu means island. Then Jil. Jil means lake. Jil means lake. कोडाईकनाल में हम जिल में बोट की सवारी कर सकते हैं. बोट की सवारी कर सकते हैं means in Kodaikanal we can ride in the boat in the lake. Kichad. Kichad means mud. Okay, Kichad means mud here. Then Samutra. Samutra, Sahar. Okay, Sahar means ocean. Ocean here. Samutra, Sahar, ocean. Then Balu. Balu is a sand. Okay, sand. Then Chaya. Chaya means shadow. Okay, पेड़ की छाया में हम बैठ सकते हैं. पेड़ की छाया में हम बैठ सकते हैं means we can sit in the shadow of the tree. Okay, then Pattar. Pattar means stone. Okay, Pattar means stone. Then Pani. Pani, we all know that Pani is water. Then Lehar Tarang. Okay, Lehar Tarang is wave. Okay, in Sahar में हम बड़ी लहरों को देख सकते हैं. We can see a big wave in the sea. Okay, then Kuan. Kuan. Kuan means well. Okay, Kuan means well. Then Jadi. Jadi is bush. Jadi is bush. चूहा जाड़ी के अंदर रहते हैं. Okay, the rats are living in the bushes. Okay, then here Registan. Registan is a desert. Rajasthan is a Registan. Registan means Rajasthan is a desert. Okay, Rajasthan हो हम रेगिस्तान कह सकते हैं. Then फूल पुष्प, you all know that is flower. Then घास. घास is grass. Okay, गाय घास खाती है. Okay, the cow is grazing the grass. Okay, now patta. Patta is leaf. Okay, patta is leaf. Here corn. Okay, corn is mine. सोनार की corn इंडिया में है. Then पौधा. पौधा is plant. Okay, पौधा is plant. हम पौधों के पाल सकते हैं. पौधों के पालते हैं. Then हवा. हवा is air. हवा is air. ठंडी हवा आती है. Okay, I can feel the cold air. Then बादल. बादल is cloud. Okay, badal. Badal means cloud. Here andhera. Andhera is darkness. Okay, बच्चों अंधेरे से डरते हैं. Okay, बच्चों अंधेरे से डरते हैं means the children are fear about the darkness. Then Surya. Surya, Suraj. Two names. We can choose any name. Surya, Suraj. This for sun. Okay, then Chandrama. Chandrama, chand. Okay, chandrama, chand for moon. Then chandini. Okay, chandini is moonlight. Moonlight. Here tara. Tara is star. Okay, रात के समय तारा चमकते हैं. हम आकाश को देखते हैं. रात के समय तारे चमकते हैं means the stars are twinkling in the night. Okay, grahan means eclipse. Okay, grahan means eclipse. We can have surya grahan and chandra grahan. Okay, we are in India, we are learning about the grahan, that is surya grahan and chandra grahan. Then prakriti is nature. Okay, without nature we can't live. Okay, without the nature we can't live. Once again, see, kadi is bay, chattan cliff, kinara is bank, pahad. Okay, pahad hill. Then tapu is island, jil is lake, kichad is mud. Okay, mud. Here samutra, sahar, Hindu Mahasamutra, we can say that Hindu Mahasamutra. Then balu is sand. Okay, chaya is shadow. Then pattar. Okay, पत्थर उड़ाकर बच्चे फेंकते हैं. Okay, पत्थर उड़ाकर बच्चे फेंकते हैं. Okay, then पानी. Okay, पानी water. Then लहर तरंग, that is wave. कुआं. Okay, कुआं well. Here jadi is bush. Then the next set Registan is desert, fool, puspa, flower, gas is grass. Okay, patta is leaf, corn, mine, pauda is plant. Okay, मैं गुलाबी का पौधा में पानी भरती हूँ. Okay, मैं गुलाबी की पौधा में पानी भरती हूँ. I am watering the rose plant. Okay, then Hava is air. Here badal is cloud. Andhera. Okay, andhera is darkness. Here suraj. Okay, two names for sun, suraj. Then another two names for moon is chandrama, chand. Okay, chandrama, chand. Then here moonlight is chandini. Okay, हम चांदनी को देखते हैं. Then tara is star. Okay, tara is star. Then grahan, surya grahan, chandra grahan. Okay, grahan eclipse. Here prakriti is nature. Okay, without nature we can't live. Okay, don't spoil the nature. Okay, don't spoil the nature. Plant the saplings which will grow efficiently and give us more things. Okay.